Okay, student, today we are going to start next topic. When new partner entered in a business with capital and goodwill. With capital and goodwill. Here, when new partner is coming in the good business, they are come with the capital and goodwill, and that capital and goodwill, will be utilized by the new partners. Okay, because no partner will allow to the for new partners if they are entered in the business without being given any type of cash. Then sure and certain when new partner will come in the business, they will come with the cash, in cash, capital and goodwill. Okay, then we are going to do the entry. First step of new partner entered is what? Is profit sharing ratio. We are going to calculate when new partner entered. We are going to calculate profit sharing ratio. Then next is entry. Okay, in this entry we are going to do the entry when new partner will enter in the business. So then he will come with the cash and goodwill in the form of cash, capital and goodwill. So when new partner, just think about that, three partners there, A, B, C. C will come with the cash, capital and goodwill. So then what interest there? You are receiving the cash. In your business, cash will come. So then cash will come to cash account. Is what beta? Cash account, debit. So beta, that's a simple rule. What will come in the business, that will debit. Assets is come in the business, that is debit. Cash account debit to C capital and to goodwill. Okay, it's a first entry when new partner entered in the business. When this term is given, new partner entered the business with the capital and goodwill, we are going to do this first entry. It's a first entry, beta. In any question, if this term is given, its logic is given. New partner entered with the cash and capital and goodwill. In cash, we are going to do this entry. First entry is this. As like that, if he is coming with the 10,000 and 5,000. Okay, here 10,000, 5,000. Total is 15,000. Okay, after this, the second entry. Okay, second entry. Second entry is what? Just divide this goodwill in the old partner in the sacrificing ratio, beta. That goodwill is divided in the old partner in sacrificing ratio. So that goodwill account debit to A capital to B capital, maybe 3:2. Okay, and then we are going to calculate the sacrificing ratio. We are going to calculate the sacrificing ratio, but here we just understand that 3:2 is the sacrificing ratio. Then 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000. If any question they are saying about the new partner entered in a business with capital and cash, so these two entries compulsory. Okay, we are just going to do these two entries. Don't take any chance. Just going to write this two entry if new partner entered in a business. Okay, beta, just write this two entry. It's a set. Okay, it's a confirm entry when new partner is coming. If this situation is given, then you have to do this entry only. Two entry set, beta. Okay. In this case of new partner entered, we are going to do these two entries. Then one more entry is here. Third, when this goodwill will be drawn by the old partner. First, new partner come with the capital and goodwill. This entry is there. Then goodwill will distribute in the old partner. Second entry. Third, if this situation is given in the question, goodwill withdrawn by the old partner, then we are going to do this third entry. Otherwise, only two entries. Partners entered in the business, these two entries. Okay, we have to do these two entries. Okay, clear? Then third entry, when partner withdrawal, when partner will withdraw the money, then third entry. And entries are better. Entries like that, A capital account debit B capital account debit to cash because they are going to withdraw the money in cash, beta. Okay, in cash. If they are withdrawn full amount, half amount, what is given the question? We are going to follow the question only. Okay, but the main thing is that if any partner entered in a business, these two entries are going to do first. Okay, we should write this to it. But when third case is given, when this case is given that partners withdraw goodwill, then we are going to do this third entry. Okay, clear? Two things is clear: new profit sharing ratio and how we are going to do this three entry. Three entries there. To confirm from the every question, if any question they are saying withdrawal, then we are going to do this third entry. Okay, beta? Clear? Now I am going to take the questions. Just see the question. LMN are partners. His profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Okay. LMN partners. Three is to 2:1. Okay. O bring 45,000 and 1,50,000. Okay. O. New partner O. Capital 450 and goodwill 150. Okay. And he is coming from 1/5 share. Okay, he is coming from 1/5. Okay, so first we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio, then entry. Okay, so then 1 minus 1/5. Beta, clear? Because nothing is given how they are going to take. Okay, we have to do the journal entry for two situations: journal entry and new profit sharing ratio for two situations. First, we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so 1 minus 1/5, 4/5, and share 4/5 into 3/6, and share 4/5 into 2/6, and share 4/5 into 1/6. Okay. Here, 12/30, 8/30, and 4/30. So, beta, just set down L, M, N, O. 12/30, 8/30, 4/30, 1/5 into 6. It means 12:8:4:6. Okay, beta. Then 6:4:2:3. Okay. Then new profit sharing is 6:4:2:3. That will come. Okay. I think it's easy. Now we are going to do that entry in first situation. First entry, they are coming with the capital and goodwill. The first entry is the in cash account debit to O capital to goodwill. In goodwill 1,50,000, O capital 450, that's 6 lakh. Then second entry, distribute the goodwill. So beta, distribute the goodwill. The goodwill account debit to L capital, M capital, N capital. Okay. Goodwill 1,50,000. If ratio is given, the sacrificing ratio is same. Okay, so just divide them. It's a math term, beta. If they are taking the in ratio, so that is same. 3:2:1. What amount will come? 6. 2 times 25, 50, 70. Okay, beta, these two entries confirm for the both situation. From both situation, first and second. In first situation, goodwill will remaining in the form, only these two entries. In first situation, only two entry. No withdrawal is given. Only two entry will done. Okay, beta. On the second situation, first this entry, then second this entry, and one more entry is there. You see, cash account debit to O capital to goodwill 15,000, 45,000, 6 lakh. 150 into 6 lakh. Then second entry, beta, goodwill account debit L capital, M capital, N capital, 25,000, 50,000, 75,000, 1 lakh. One more entry is there. Because in that case they are saying about the withdrawal. For the withdrawal, one more entry, and it is beta M capital debit, N capital debit to cash. They are withdrawn full or half by the old partner. Full amount. They withdraw full amount. Then 75,000, 50,000, 25,000, and 1 lakh 50,000. Okay, beta? Clear? When only remain that goodwill in a form, only this two entry. When withdrawal will come, two entry plus one more entry, three entry. Just keep in mind, set up these things. If new partner entered, so these two entries come. Third entry, when new partner or old partner old partner beta withdrawal his what? Goodwill. Then we are doing third entry. Okay, beta? If they withdraw goodwill, then third entry. Okay, go for the next question. P and Q is the partner, sharing profit to the ratio of 2:1. Okay? R entered. Okay? For 4/9, share the profits which were acquired equally from both. Okay? Equally. And come with the capital of 250 and goodwill 180. Okay, just see 2:1, 4/9. Okay, just see this question more. You written this question, na? P and Q are gained 4/9 1. Okay, that 2:1, 4/9, 250, 180. 250 cash capital it means, and goodwill 180. Okay, and he is taking his share equally. So first we are going to calculate what beta? First we are going to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so for new profit sharing ratio equal, just divide two part, divide by 2, what we're doing? 4/18, 4/18. So beta, less P share 2/3 minus 4/18, Q share 1/3 minus 4/18, 18, 6 time beta, 6 into 2, 12 minus 4, 6 minus 4. It means 8/18, 2/18. means 8/18, 2/18, and 4/9 into 2. It means 8:2:8. It means 4:1:4. Okay. 4:1:1. 4:1:4. Okay. It's game. Now we are going for the entry. Only one situation is there. No withdrawal. Okay. First entry, new partner entered. First entry beta, cash account debit to R capital to goodwill. R capital 250, 180, 430. Then second entry, these two entries confirm beta. Goodwill account debit P capital Q capital. Now the case is coming here. What is the sacrificing ratio? Because we are distributing always sacrificing ratio, so they are equally taking. It means equally sacrifice. Equally taking means equally sacrifice beta. So then 1,80,000, 90,000 and 90,000. Okay beta? Clear? Now I think it's very clear. Okay. Clear na beta? Just see one more question. X and Y the partners sharing profit in the ratio of 4:3. Z partners entered 2/7. His sharing his profit, of which acquire 1/4 from the X and 3/4 from the X and 1/4 from the Y, and then Z bring 3 lakh of his capital and 1,20,000 for his goodwill. Okay, so I think we will easily calculate the new profit sharing ratio. No problem about that. And entries, my beta, I will just tell the entries. Okay, entries what? Entry is cash account debit to Z capital to Z goodwill, or only goodwill. Cash account debit. Entry for next question. Cash account debit to Z capital to goodwill. Then second entry, goodwill account debit to X capital or to Y capital. Okay, is come with the 3 lakh and 120. Here 120 divide in a sacrificing ratio. 1/4, 3/4 of X. It means 2/7 into 3/4. What is coming? Then 2/7 into 1/4. What is coming? That is a sacrificing ratio beta. Okay, or you will going to calculate new profit sharing ratio and then less old minus new. By that you can calculate the sacrificing ratio. Okay, then you can solve. So beta, you can easily solve. Clear? Just see next and just telling about the all entries. Because if your entries remember, then 1 or 2 marks is prepare for the board. Okay. Okay, just see again X and Y are the partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, they add with Z, new partners for 1/3 share of the profit in the ratio. Z acquire his share from K and Y 2:3. Okay, beta. Z bring 80,000 and for goodwill 30,000. Means again 2:3. We are going to divide the ratio of Z in 2:3. What will come? That will less from the X and Y. By that we calculate new profit sharing ratio, and then again entry, same entry, no withdrawal is given, beta. Okay, beta. On this way we can solve the questions. Okay. Okay.